The other interesting stock getting a call today is Caterpillar, which Farmer Jim remains the top pick at JPMorgan in that space. Overweight, 185 is the price target.
Yeah, and the analyst there is a very good analyst, but I think the price target is 185, if I'm not mistaken, which is just a handful of dollars above the current share price. I think the price target is probably close to right. Now, I've owned this for about a year and a half, up about 40%. You can't stay in Caterpillar for too long. If you look at a 20-year chart, there are distinct periods of long rises and then fallow periods. I think you've got maybe another 6-8%. I'm looking to get out of this in the 190s. A 24 forward multiple, which is where CAT is right now, is probably right. There's a lot of infrastructure and supply chain onshoring built into the price right now. I think 6 to 8% is what you get from here.
Where would you get into then? If you got out of CAT, what would you put your money into? Because they're underweight Deere, and they're staying that way. What do you like? Well, I mean, it doesn't have to be in that space, but would you put the money somewhere else?
But industrials are a great space to be looking at right now. You know, Steve and I are taunting each other about General Motors. I hope he's not going to be the weak hand and sell just as it's consolidating. But I think General Motors is a great entry point right now for the next leg higher. I can think of, Northrop Grumman is a defense name that I've owned.
Jason bought Honeywell, right? And I mean, I think Joe bought Honeywell recently. Honeywell's gotten a lot of action on this show. Jason Snipe, you just recently bought it, right?
And I own Honeywell.
Yeah.
I own Honeywell also, But can I ask Jim a question? How long is my fallow period in GM?
I don't have time to play games. Jason Snipe, I want you to answer, please.
Yep. So Honeywell for us was just kind of the resurgence of CapEx. We like the industrial market. We're bullish on the industrial market. And I think they played well into two major things. One is the air filtration systems in the cabins of airplanes, and obviously in packaging of the vaccine from a distribution perspective. So Honeywell is a name that obviously it's run some, but we think there's continued runway there.
Okay.